Good morning, everyone. I thought I'd do a few tutorial videos to help you get through these virtual days. First of all, let's look at attendance. When you sign on to your iPad, you'll come to the home page such as this. You're going to look for the white C with a blue background, like here in the toolbar, which is Clever. If you don't see it at the toolbar, slide through your apps. You will find it there. It's been downloaded on each iPad. From there, the children use their QR code to sign in. Once you're into Clever, you're going to slide down to come to Canvas, which is the white snowflake with the red background. Click on that. Once in Canvas, you will see the daily attendance. It's an orange frame at the top of your screen. Click there. It'll come up with an attendance questionnaire. Today's date's the 13th. Type in the name, click on K through 2, confirm that you're doing online school today. If you wish to have an email confirming that you submitted the attendance, click in the box and then hit submit. Then your attendance is done. The only requirement on attendance is that it needs to be done before 11:59 p.m. tonight to have the attendance registered in the computer system here. Once you're done with that, you can back out, close out Clever, home page, and we'll be ready to do the classes. I'll show that in just a second.